My name is George. I'm a project manager here at enable.services. I've been working here for about 2.5 years now, and essentially my role as a project manager, I assist our clients with implementing their software solutions. It's mostly software-based projects, so across the range of products that we offer here at Enable, Sugar, Espo, Mortic. Any of those projects, we basically take clients' needs, and whether it's an implementation, so you're a new customer coming on board with us and we're designing your systems from scratch, or whether it's a small addition that you feel will benefit you as an organisation that we need to scope out and add in and include that for you. It can range from anywhere from hundreds of hours worth of work to 2 hours to make a quick tweak. If you're a new customer and we've never worked with you before, you may approach us, or we may reach out to yourselves, and we'll start discussing your requirements and then start having those tendering discussions with yourself. You approach us with your requirements and let us know what it is that you're looking to achieve. What are your objectives? Why have you come to us? What do you want to achieve within your software? And then we scope those out. We take across, the industry that you're working within and the requirements that you have, the software that you're currently using, and make sure that we design you and provide you with an appropriate solution. We try and factor in all possibilities that we can and to give you the best solution. And once that's done and you've signed off on those things, we'll start the development or configuration depending on what that solution is. And then as a project manager myself, I make sure all the resources are available to facilitate the personnel that we need to complete the software solution. And then it's over to the customer to test that, train you guys on that, and then once that's done, we deploy it to your production. From the customer's perspective, what they will always see is us on weekly meetings, the project manager. We're the people that you're going to see. We're the face you recognise at Enable for the conversations you're having. From a customer perspective, you won't see the development work we're doing. So you don't get to see the behind the scenes work that we at Enable get to see that goes into the build of your projects. From your perspective, you might only see 30 minutes of us a week, perhaps, depending on how many meetings that we have. So I think it's really important that we make sure that we're translating to you that everything that you've reiterated to us and told us about what you need is being actioned and everything is being done. I think to lay all your cards on the table at the earliest possibility. In my experience, what I've found is that if we get halfway through a project and you decide to bring up a new requirement that perhaps wasn't discussed during the sales stage and wasn't accommodated for within the project, one or two things are going to happen. Either we're going to add this new requirement in and it's going to push your go live day back for the project, so there'll be delays, or it will be omitted from the project and you'll have to wait longer for us to go through the scoping phase again and add it in as a separate project. So by giving us all your requirements at the very earliest possibility, even if you feel yourselves that it might not be relevant, to us it might be a massive point and something that we need to consider. So by giving us all the information at the earliest point, it means that we have the best chance of making sure your projects are delivered on time, and all the deliverables include everything that you feel you absolutely need.